Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to perform factory reset of your TP-Link RE190 using app called TP-Link Tether. So in order to do that, we'll need to go for our tools, then scroll all the way down and find system. Now press factory defaults and then reset. So now our device will be restarted. We'll be losing all our passwords and settings that we've changed in our adapter. So now it's ready to be set up again. So now, step 1, connect to the extender Wi-Fi. Join your extender network, TP-Link extender, TP-Link extender 2.4 or TP-Link 5G. So we'll need to go to our Wi-Fi settings. From here, refresh available networks. And here find TP-Link extender. Click on it and you'll be connected to the adapter. Now let's go back and select I'm connected. No thanks. From here select RE190 and we'll be able to set up new password for our device. So I'm gonna make it very simple, 123 and again 123. If you're not sure that you've typed it in correctly, you can press on this I button in order to reveal the password. Now press create. You'll need to select other Wi-Fi networks in your house in order to connect to them. So first one is 2.4 GHz and I'm just gonna pick that one and enter the password. Then press next. And as you can see, we're connected. If you would enter the bad password or you wouldn't be able to connect, the app would inform you. If you have it like that, it means you're connected. So now let's move to the next step and select 5G network. So here, enter the password yet again. And press next. Then next again. And here we can see that both networks are connected. We can press next again. Here apply. And we'll need to wait till applying process is complete. Now you can confirm that your location of your extender is right. So it's like this. Make sure it looks like this when you're connecting it. From here you can also see the lights, how they should look on this device. For me everything is good. So let's press location looks good, and after that our device is set up. I'm connected. And here we are. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel. Leave a like and a comment below.